Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for an unarmed security guard license in New Hampshire, you must meet these state-mandated requirements. Be at least 18, be a U.S. citizen or legally authorized to work, have no felony convictions, not be under an active domestic violence protective order, provide 3 character references not related to you, submit 2 fingerprint cards, submit 2 passport-style photos taken at New Hampshire State Police Headquarters. Important to note, you can't begin work until your license arrives. New Hampshire doesn't issue temporary guard cards. Your license is tied to your employer, who must notify the state when you're hired. Also, New Hampshire law exempts unarmed guards who are direct employees of a business from licensing requirements. Step 2. Required training. New Hampshire does not require any state-mandated pre-assignment training hours for unarmed guards. However, if you did complete training as required by your employer, the application form includes a field to list training. There is no exam required for unarmed security guard licensing in New Hampshire. Step 3. Fingerprinting and background check. Get fingerprinted at New Hampshire State Police Headquarters in Concord. Walk-in only, no appointments. Bring a government-issued photo ID. The fee is $25 payable by check or money order. You'll submit 2 fingerprint cards plus a criminal history record release form. Step 4. Submit the application in person to New Hampshire State Police. Bring the following to New Hampshire State Police HQ at 33 Hazen Drive, Concord, New Hampshire. A completed DSSP 247 application form, 2 fingerprint cards, 2 passport-style photos, 3 character references, copy of government-issued photo ID, check or money order for $150. Step 5. Cost breakdown. Let's break down the full cost of getting licensed in New Hampshire. Fingerprinting and background check is around $25. The license application fee is $150. Passport style photos, $10. The total is around $185. For perspective, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median wage for unarmed security guards in New Hampshire is $21.40 per hour, or about $44,510 per year. Step 6. License approval and delivery. After review and approval, your security guard license will be mailed to your home address. You can't work until you receive it. Step 7. Renewal. Renew your license every 2 years. The renewal fee is $150. You must submit it at least 15 days before your license expires. Updated fingerprinting and background check are required. Step 8. Get hired and stay informed. Now that you're licensed, you can start applying for jobs. Use job boards like Indeed. Join r/GuardGuides on Reddit for peer advice, job leads, and updates. Need help with your resume? Visit my Beacons page for a free template and my Etsy page for premium digital guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.